Hi friends, and today we're making air fryer bananas. As always, I'm using my Ninja Foodi 8 Quart Max or Tender Crisp, but you can use this recipe for any air fryer that you own. And this is what you'll need to make air fryer bananas. So ripe bananas, you want to make sure that they're not too ripe. They should be slightly firm to the touch. You'll also need some honey. These are 2 tablespoons of honey, a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon or more if you prefer, and some lemon juice. This is optional, but I like the tangy taste that it brings in. It sort of helps balance it. And since this is going to be a dessert, I'm going to be serving it with ice cream for my kids, then it's not too bad. So you want to start by peeling and slicing your banana. The shape really doesn't matter. You can cut it into small rounds, so something like this, but I personally like to cut mine lengthwise. Try to have them as equally sized as possible if you can. Next, you want to combine the honey in a small bowl, lemon juice, and cinnamon. And you can also use your favorite spices such as nutmeg or pumpkin spice if you don't like cinnamon. Just combine this. So the next step is to prepare your air fryer basket. If you like, you can line your air fryer basket with aluminum foil just to get less of a mess, but you really don't need to. For example, the Ninja Foodi here comes with a non-stick basket and it already has the holes in it, so you basically just need to pop the bananas in there and cook. But if you prefer less of a mess, then this is what you do. So you just get your aluminum foil. This will be big enough. Cut it out, shape it. You can also purchase air fryer aluminum foil or parchment paper online. This comes with holes popped in already. And okay, I've just fitted the size, and what you want to do is to just poke some holes on the surface. I'll show you how. So like that, but just doing this to show you guys. I'm not going to be using the aluminum foil. If you like, you can grease the air fryer basket with some oil. You can brush any leftover honey on the top again just before we cook. You want to close the air fryer basket or lid. So at around 5 minutes, you want to open the air fryer basket or lid and then just carefully turn them over if you can. Okay, as you can see, the bananas are done. What I'm going to do is that I'm just going to make this smaller so I can pick it out easily from the air fryer. And that's it. Serve and enjoy.